2912 with destination to Birmingham. If Birmingham is not your destination, please make yourself noticed as soon as possible by pressing the call bell in the panel of overhead or speaking directly with a member of the cabin crew. Please move along the cabin aisle and take your allocated seats as shown in your boarding passes, as these ones have been given to you to comply with the weight and balance of the aircraft. Place your smaller belongings like backpacks, duty-free bags and purses underneath the seat in front of you, and only the trolleys in the overhead compartments, with the exception of those traveling the emergency through exits that are row 1, row 2, D, E and F, row 16 and row 17. If you need any kind of assistance, do not hesitate to speak to a member of the cabin crew. Once again, very good afternoon and wish you a pleasant flight. Board of this Boeing 737-800 series aircraft.
May we have your complete attention as we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. These features may differ from aircraft that you have flown on before. Please remove headphones for this demonstration. All emergency exits are indicated by a red exit sign, and the footpath markings will guide you to the nearest exit in an emergency. The exits are located on both sides of the aircraft, at the front, in the middle, and at the rear of the cabin. All exits are also shown on the safety card. The nearest exit may be behind you. In case of an emergency evacuation, you must leave all your hand baggage behind. To fasten a seatbelt, insert the metal end into the buckle and secure by pulling the loose end. To open a seatbelt, lift the buckle cover. In case of a loss of cabin pressure, masks like this will drop automatically from the panels above your heads. Remain seated and pull down firmly on the mask to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, secure with the strap, and breathe normally. Don't worry if the bag does not inflate. Oxygen
de oxigênio. Coloque a máscara sobre o nariz e a boca, segure com o elástico e respire normalmente. Não se preocupe se o saco não insuflar, o oxigênio estará a circular. Coloque a sua própria máscara antes de ajudar outra pessoa. Os coletes salva-vidas estão localizados numa bolsa debaixo do seu assento ou no painel sobre a sua cabeça. Caso seja necessário, remova o colete do invólucro e vista-o. Passe a fita à volta da cintura e aperta à frente. Para insuflar o colete, puxe firmemente na peça vermelha. Existe um tubo para encher ou vazar o ar e uma luz para atrair a atenção. Não insufle o colete até se encontrar fora do avião. Antes da descolagem, por favor, verifique o cartão de segurança junto do seu assento, pois contém importantes informações de segurança específicas para este modelo de avião. É essencial que respeite todos os sinais a bordo e que as instruções da tripulação estejam cumpridas. Lembramos que é proibido fumar em todos os espaços deste avião. A sua bagagem de mão deverá ser guardada no compartimento superior ou debaixo do assento à sua frente e não poderá bloquear a passagem no corredor ou nas saídas. Agora, assegure-se que o seu cinto de segurança está apertado, mesa recolhida, apoios de braço para baixo.
to remind yourself, when you are buying a sports car, you are also well-paid. Many institutions and charity foundations all around Europe, in this specific case the Jack and Jill Foundation, and also the foundation from Faro, Fundação Apoio Social. Of course, you can earn many other gifts like a chance to win €1,000,000, chance to win an electric car, and of course the prize from the sports car. So thank you and good luck. Ladies and gentlemen, delighted to welcome you to Birmingham Airport 5 to 10 minutes ahead of schedule. Please remain seated with your seatbelt secure with fasten until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off for you. Be careful in opening the overhead lockers as items of your carry-on luggage may have become dislodged during the flight, fall out, and cause injuries. If you smoke, please refrain from doing so until you reach the designated area well outside of the terminal building. For new routes, car hire, or even hotel accommodation, please keep visiting our website at Ryanair.com. On behalf of the captain, first officer, but special and work crew, I'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us today and I'd like to wish you a very good evening.